What is this place?
It's the Everything Factory, silly.
My name's Xav, and I hear that you want to hear about the music from Wolfboy and the Everything Factory. Let's do it. Writing themes for characters is probably the most rewarding bit of the job.
Feel the harmony.
So a theme is a piece of music associated with that character. So, for example, we've got Wolfboy's theme. And in that theme, he's discovering he has these qualities which make him a hero.
Boom.
And then we've got Sprout. He's such a curious, happy, and very adventurous person.
What a performance!
Hello! And then we have Zandra. She needed a theme which is strong, but it also needs to have a slight fragility to it.
Nice job, human.
It's just such a wonderful feeling to make some sounds represent something, and I can't wait for you to hear the music in the show. See you soon.